Go to the Rickman Library homepage to access OneSearch. Sign in as students and staff. Use your SWOO email address and password. Once signed in, you can access your account information by clicking on Library Card. You can see items that you have checked out and renewed them. You can also see requests, fines, or messages. You can also access My Favorites and search history. When you start typing your search terms, you will see 3 scopes that you can search. Library Catalog and Articles will search all resources. Library Catalog will search for physical items and ebooks. Pascal Delivers will search the holdings of academic libraries throughout the state of South Carolina. When you do your search, you will see several filters in the left-hand pane. Under Resource Type, you can click Show More to see the full list of resources available. You can select the types of resources that you want and click Apply Filters. Notice that books may be available in print with a call number or available online as ebooks. Under Availability, you can limit for online resources, peer-reviewed journals, open access resources, or physical items held by Rickman Library. You can limit by publication date by typing in the date range and clicking Refine. You have other filters you can apply, such as subject, author, Pascal institution, location within Rickman Library, journal title, and language. All active filters will show at the top of the pane. At the top of your search results, you'll see Save Query. You can save your search results along with the active filters to your favorites. You can click on Personalize to choose specific disciplines you're researching. This feature will not change the number of search results, it will just reorder them. For a particular item, you can click on the envelope icon to email the information to yourself. Click the link icon to get a permalink. Click the pushpin icon to save an item to your favorites. Click on the ellipsis for other options, such as printing and citation. To access an online resource, click on the title. This will take you to the detailed page. You can then click a link under View Online that will take you to the resource. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian.